Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I am bringing back a series you guys loved last year, but I'm also collabing with a new YouTuber on this. So Cynthia and I are tackling the Color Theories series this time around, and of course we're starting off with the top of the rainbow, which is red, and I'm again featuring the Simple Stories Life in Color collection because it has some bold reds and black and white patterns. So if you didn't catch last year's version of the Color Theory series, essentially all I do is make monochromatic layouts for every color of the rainbow. So monochromatic means you use one color, but you can use all the shades in that color along with black and white to create a stark layout, a very nice bold layout. So we're starting off with red because that's the first color of the rainbow. So stay tuned for new ones. I'll have Cynthia's channel linked down below, of course, and also have the playlist from last year linked down below, and I'll make a playlist for this year of all of our videos. So like I said earlier, I pulled out some papers from the Simple Stories Life in Color collection, and I'm going to cut this red piece down to make a strip on the left. I'm trying to do different styles of layout since I tend to do the same style of layout with like a bottom strip along the bottom, my photo on the bottom right, and then the title. So now I'm doing a two-sided sort of theme here, where my photo's going to go on the left-hand side, and then my title's going to go on the right-hand side, kind of just balance each other out that way. And I think these black and white patterns are really great for these types of layouts. Most of my layouts last year were very heavily reliant on the color, but this year I'm hoping to do a lot of mixing and matching with the different shades of the colors in the process videos. So I've pulled out a bunch of things, including washi tape, flare, doilies, all things that I plan to use. I don't have a plan exactly for this layout, but this is a Valentine's Day themed layout, which I think is perfect because it's right before Valentine's Day, right here at the end of January. I don't tend to do Valentine's Day layouts, but my mother sent us a package last year full of Valentine's Day goodies, so I figured I would scrapbook this memory now. So I've pulled out resin pieces as well. I'm just working on looking at these puffy stickers from Target that I have, that I think I bought last year as well, and haven't used as many as I probably should have by now. But I can't believe January is coming to an end so quickly. As you guys know, I was in a spending freeze for January, which went really well so far. I guess I shouldn't speak too soon. But I'm looking forward to being back on my creative track here and keeping this pace going with all the layouts I've created. I plan on doing a monthly wrap-up at the end of the month because I know some people like layout shares instead of layout process videos just to get some short inspiration, but I'll definitely be doing that in case you guys wanted to see that. I'm adding my black and white polka dot washi tape, which is from Scotch. I picked this up at Joann's quite a few years ago, but definitely still one of my staple washi tapes. Black and white polka dots are definitely one of the staples you need in your stash if you don't have any. I'll try to find one and link it in the blog post that I'll have linked down below. I usually try to link all of the products I use in every single project that I share with you guys over on my blog, just in case you want to buy them. It makes it easier on both of us so you guys don't have to ask as many questions about products, and I can help you guys out with linking them. And some of them I do get affiliate bonuses with, so it doesn't cost extra for you, but Amazon will pay me if you buy products through my link. So definitely check my blog out if you're interested in seeing more photos of the layout or more details. So I've started to create this cluster in the bottom left of my photo while I was talking. It includes a flare from Freckled Fawn, some resin flowers from my stash, a conversation heart sticker, which is actually from Michael's, and then a cutout piece, little camera, which is from Kaiser Craft. And I'm going to glue a doily behind my photo because I have a doily addiction and I put them on every layout it seems like, but this layout actually uses two doilies, one white and one red. The red doilies are from Michael's last year's Valentine's Day collection. I always try to buy the holiday items when they go on clearance after the holiday, and doilies are a great one. I pick those up at Halloween, Christmas, and Valentine's Day because they have assorted colors. So I have black doilies from Halloween, which come in very handy because I don't see a lot of people using black doilies, but they're really nice. I will admit I like using those. And then red and pink and white doilies on Valentine's Day, and maybe even St. Patrick's Day might have some doilies. All the holidays, people, look for those doilies, especially at box stores like Joann's or Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So I'm gluing all this stuff down rather quickly, luckily, because I don't like watching when other people glue things down usually. I try to speed these parts up a little bit faster if I remember. For all of my doilies, I use tape and liquid adhesive. I still have not perfected the way to glue these down yet. I still think they're very annoying to glue down, but that's okay. I'd also like to apologize for the layout being cut off a little bit. I moved my tripod and didn't realize that the camera wouldn't capture the bottom part of the layout, but there's nothing fun going on down there. You're not missing anything, at least as of right now, but I will try to push the layout up a little bit later. Now I'm going to start thinking about my title. I wanted to say Two Happy Valentines because we are Valentine's, because we got the present for Valentine's Day, but you'll see me have an issue later with the title fitting because Valentine's is a very, very long word. I just pulled out a really old paper clip from KI Memories. I like to throw little paper clips on when I remember, just an easy thing to throw on. But as you guys can tell, this color theory is going very well. Sticking with the red, even though there's a lot of yellow in the photo from the candy boxes we received. I didn't emphasize that at all. I'm just letting that stay. Kind of pops more since there's an enhanced red feeling on this layout. But if you are looking to do this series along with Cynthia and I would highly recommend starting with black and white photos. Black and white photos will help you throughout this process because they will eliminate all the other competitive colors. And while my photo has a competitive color of yellow, I think it looks quite fine that way. So I'm looking through my stash and I picked out a red arrow, which is from Simple Stories We Are Family Collection, I believe. And then I'm also going to pull out a couple other pieces. So I'm going through my stickers here. I didn't find anything that really popped out for me as for the red and pink color scheme, but I did pick out one of these stickers from Fancy Pants, and I think it says, "Each day I love you more," which is really cute for the Valentine's Day page. Not super Valentine's Day-y, except for the title, but I didn't cover this page in hearts or anything. I actually didn't get out any of my Valentine's Day supplies for this, for some odd reason. I do not know why. I pulled out this, I believe it's pink paisley American Crafts sticker, or yeah, pink paisley, that doesn't make sense. I think it's a Paige Taylor Evans sticker. I'm not sure which collection though. I also pulled out some letter thickers. I'll use these fabric thickers for the number 2. Like I said, I wanted to put Two Happy Valentines as my title, but that will change in a second. So these were, I think, fabric thickers, and I picked those up from a store that is now closed online. I believe also in person. I'm not 100% sure. It was a couple years ago though. I pulled out these infamous stickers that I think everybody might have. They're the black chipboard stickers with the faux white stitching. And as you'll see here, I'll spell out Valentine's and then realize it's not going to fit. I should have stopped at this point, but I'm still thinking it through. I think it's going to fit apparently. But I actually also realized that I did not have all the letters. I thought about cutting this W to make an E, which would have worked, but I still didn't have enough room. So instead I go for 2 happy hearts, which will work just the same. So I'm arranging all of that. I did have some trouble with the happy puffy sticker. I couldn't get that to nestle in properly with the chipboard stickers, and that puffy sticker is from Pink Fresh Studio. I have a whole unboxing about Pink Fresh Studio stuff that I bought in their last grab box sale, which was a lot better than I anticipated it to be. They sent a lot of product for the price. So now just gluing down all of these letters, which of course is beyond annoying. I don't know why they make stickers that don't stick properly. I even know that hearing about some people who have had their layouts fall apart years later, which I'm hoping does not happen to mine. But you can never be quite sure, so always add more glue. It's always a good rule. Looking at this now, the word hearts does not look straight at all, but it's also because my layout's a little bit crooked on this camera angle. Now I'm looking for a couple more resin flowers. I have so many resin flowers, but I can never find the color that I want. And yes, I used to have them sorted by color, but I just dumped them all into one little case because it was easier for me to use, and now I use them on every single layout it seems. But the more I use, the better, so we'll just keep going with it. I'm pulling out some Tim Holtz word stickers, and I'm using the ones from the holiday one. I think they're called the Occasions, Holiday Occasions or something along those lines. Anyway, I pull out one that says Valentine and one that says You and Me, because it works beautifully for this layout. But this layout's finishing up quite quickly. I'm using some puffy hearts from my stash, and just gluing down my resin flowers again in the top right. And I plan on putting my journal in the bottom right. But I hope you guys enjoyed this layout. Please check out Cynthia's link down below for her layout. You won't want to miss it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for another color theory. Bye guys!